Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is and Orphan. So the episode like this cool right here, and basically what these are some trash bags. And we see it from this brand right here, and the one that we got right here is a 1.2 gallon. And this one comes with 220 of these trash bags inside, which is pretty awesome. But the cool thing about this trash bag is the fact that they give you guys a drawstring option. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to take out the trash and keep everything all organized when you guys actually use it. And they mention right here how it's perfect for the car, home, office, or kitchen. So you basically use this almost anywhere. If you guys want to use this without a trash can, you definitely can as well. Since it does give you guys a drawstring option, so you definitely hang it on somewhere. So this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks like inside. So the one that we got right here is the green color. They do have this available in other colors as well, such as like white, blue, pink, and the list goes on. And like I mentioned, for the one that we got right here is a 1.2 gallon. If you guys want a bigger one, they do have bigger ones available. I believe like 2.6 gallon or 3 gallons, and the list goes on. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys first get it. So they're all the same thing. Let me take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see the product is all nicely wrapped together. And then you have this little arrow sticker right here. So you basically want to peel this part right here to actually start using it. So just peel this part right here. And then for the sticker, if you guys want to save it for later to actually stick it back on to keep it organized, you definitely can. Let me actually peel one out to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so this is what it looks like once you guys peel one of them out. And then for the remainder one right here, you basically want to use a sticker right here to stick it back on. So that way you can actually keep it all organized. But right here is basically what it actually looks like once you guys take it out. So you can see in the top right here, they definitely have this drawstring option. So that way essentially tie a knot and everything when you guys finish using it. But let's open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. And you see that once we open up the bag, this is basically what it actually looks like. So definitely very spacious. So definitely put a lot of stuff inside right here. And basically once the trash bag is all filled, you can basically pull this part right here, pull it up. So that way you can tie a knot and everything to keep it all organized. And obviously for this trash bag right here, it's pretty lightweight and it is plastic material. And it's not like the highest quality like trash bag out there, because these are like the small trash bag. And because these are like the small trash can or small trash bag, it doesn't have to be super strong, because you probably don't want to put a lot of stuff in here anyways, or you don't want to put like heavy stuff in here. If you guys don't want to put heavy stuff, you probably want to get like a stronger bag. This one's just more ideal if you guys want to use it in your car, your kitchen, or somewhere to put lightweight stuff inside. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys take it out. And they mentioned how the bag is rip resistant. And I feel like that only depends on what you guys put inside. Like if you guys put like a knife or sharp object inside, then it probably will rip. But if you guys put a lot of stuff inside that's not sharp, and also it's not like super heavy like dumbbells or whatever, then you should be fine. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys what it actually looks like and how to use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here in my trash bin, let me show you guys how to put on the bag. So I want to take this part out first. And I want to open up the lid. Once you guys take out the lid, you guys want to put the trash bag inside. Alright, so we got the trash bag right here. You want to clip it back on. And you guys want to put the lid back on top. Alright. So once you guys have it all set up, you guys can see that definitely does work. So once you guys have your trash bag all set up, then you start using it. So when you guys throw the trash inside right here, you can close it back up. And this is basically what it actually looks like once you guys fully set it up. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw a quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work, and it works quite well. Super easy to install the product and super easy to use as well. Once you guys open up the trash bag and put it into your trash can, you could basically start using the product to throw trash inside and keep everything all organized, which is super convenient. But I definitely love the option how to give you guys a drawstring option, so that way you essentially tie a knot and pull it up together for easy access when you guys need to throw away. Because there are some trash bags that doesn't have the option for like the drawstring option, so definitely having that drawstring option is super helpful to actually take out the trash and everything. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for some high quality trash bags and use for your 1.2, 1.3 gallon trash cans. And especially if you're trying to look for a trash bag that give you guys a drawstring option, so that way it's actually easier for you guys to install the product and also remove the trash bag when you guys are finished using it, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously if those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.